Hello, this is a video tour of 65 Cleary. This is the exterior of the building. It's located in a fantastic location. Very quiet street, walking distance to the heart of Japantown, as well as the heart of the Fillmore Jazz District. This unit does come with one-car parking. You have your intercom system to the right, secured gates, and a few steps up. Just before you get to the courtyard are the mailboxes. This is the common courtyard. It is used only by the occupants in the building. And to get to the unit, you would walk past here. You do get a lot of sun throughout the day in the unit and in this courtyard, and it is a very, very quiet building. Okay, here we are in Unit 2. There is a coat closet right as you walk in. But let's take a look at this amazing living room. You have a fireplace, south-facing windows and glass doors. This room overlooks a beautiful park-like setting. Amazing views from this room. You have direct access, sliding doors to a covered patio, which you can enter from the living room or the kitchen. Just off the living room is an amazing eat-in kitchen. Look at all that counter space. Lots of cabinet and counter space. You have a refrigerator, range, dishwasher, and lots of natural light. Okay, let's step outside. This is a nice covered patio. And this is your view here. Just an amazing space. You have nice track lighting. To the right is the front entrance. And here is a nice big coat closet, and there's plenty of room for additional items as well. There's a door here that takes you to a hall with private laundry machines with additional shelving here. All the bedrooms are located on this side of the unit. Here's the first bedroom. And these bedrooms are all located off the street. Nice big closet with a couple of shelves up on top. This is the hot water heater. So you have your own hot water heater. Nice linen closet. Here is the second bedroom. They're pretty equal in size, these two. And you have similar views from the bedrooms. And here's this closet here. Pretty good size. Across the way is the first full bathroom. You have a nice modern light fixture, tub and shower combination. This is a very clean unit, clean bathroom. And this is a master bedroom. This one is very large. You have the same view. Your sink is right over here. Shower, toilet on the side. Good size shower head and an amazing walk-in closet. Okay, so if you are interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com where you'll find additional information about this property, and it does come with parking as well as private storage. Thanks and have a great day.